Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here, as you can see from my name on the screen there. Welcome to my channel for the second Saturday art video hop. I will be leaving a description. I will be leaving links in the description box below this video to the others taking part in the video hop. I ought to script this out so I know what I'm saying, but hey ho, it will be what it will be. Today, these prompts we were given for this video hop were owl, mushroom, school supplies, bat night, teddy bear, marshmallow day, and honeybee. I've just remembered that when I first saw the description of prompts that we were going to be doing, I thought actually that I would be painting a honeybee, but for some reason I'm painting a teddy bear. Oh no. My first thought was I'd really like to do a bee, and guess what? I didn't do it. I did a bear. When I sat down and painted this, I did a bear. Ah well, never mind. Life goes on, doesn't it? So what I'm doing here is this is the first real time that I've got a small selection of now I don't know how to say the paint's name. It's either gouache or gouache. I'm not sure how you say it, but gouache. I've heard people say it many different ways. Gouache. Gouache. I've got the PBO brand and they're very nice. It's the first time I've used them, and I did struggle with it a little bit because they're kind of like they're described as a cross between watercolour and acrylic paints. And it's been a couple of weeks now since I painted this, and in my watercolour pad, which I'm using here, the paint is dried to sort of like almost a crumbly texture. It's very strange, so I don't know whether it's because I didn't use enough water, whether I used too much water, whether you're supposed to use water with it at all. I suppose really I should go and look to see how to use these paints properly. But yeah, and then of course I'm living on a boat, and I've got a hatch above my head, and the sun is moving in between the clouds, and it's one minute it's bright as anything, next minute it goes dark, and then right at the very end it went really, really, really bright, and all the pictures washed out, and you don't get a very good look. So I apologise for the end of this video, but it is what it is. Also, as well, the sun is reflecting off some of the water at times anyway. So I thought I'd just give you that little description of the gouache. I don't know how you say it. Gouache, 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 gwish, gouache, gouache. However, the colour, I've left them out so I can tell you the colours that I've used on the palette there. And I'm hoping I'm going to be able to clean it off. I haven't cleaned it off yet. Because I'm frightened, frightened. I'm not frightened of it. I'm worried that I won't be able to get them off. But anywho. So the colours I've used was Payne's Grey, light bright green, cadmium yellow, lemon cadmium yellow, and mid cadmium yellow, burnt umber, a covering white, ultramarine blue, magenta, and there was another red. Where's the other red? And excuse the rustling, and also dark cadmium red. And they're quite good quality paints because they're PBO, however you say that word. As I say, yeah, it was interesting to use them, and I didn't get a very good blend and that, but it worked okay. But as with always, with all your art supplies, the more you use them, the better you get with them. You know, the better you're able to use them. So yeah, I quite enjoyed it. It took an hour. This was an hour long. Obviously, it's sped up really quickly. It's ×8 on this one because it's an hour video. I don't think I have too much to say about this. I drew the painting. I drew the figures beforehand, because it's just more time you use it. And while I'm drawing it, I do a lot of rubbing out, rubbing, just because I want to get the whatever, so that I get the dimensions right. Proportions is the word I was looking for. Proportions. So I get proportions correct, or as close to correct as I can. But the covering white is quite a good white on here. It covers the red quite well. I did try to leave the white space, but they weren't very good circles, so I decided to use the covering white to go over, and it works quite well. I was quite impressed with it. So this video hop is organised by the delightful Martha from I Love to Paint. I think that's I Love to Paint is her channel now, and it will be in the description box below the video. I don't stop the video and go and check, because it interrupts what I'm saying, and it's yeah. I've still got to get used to editing videos, and also I've got to find myself a nice little microphone as well, because I don't know where I've put my microphone. I might have left it in New Zealand. I thought I brought it with me, but obviously I must have left it in New Zealand, and I don't have the money to get it out at the moment to buy another one, is what word I'm looking for. Anywho, I hope you like the painting. It was really enjoyable to do. It was great to actually use my gouache. First time I've really broken them out and used them in a painting like this, and it was great fun. And obviously I should try again with them as much as I can. Break out your art supplies and give it a go yourself. You never know, you might enjoy the medium. So hope to see you all again soon. Check out all the other creators below, and thanks for watching. Bye.